You know, it's bigger than Tinterbell.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yanti. Let's see.
Okay.
This one is their product.
Good, let's go.
My brother is good.
How you doing, brother?
Hi.
I'm okay.
Yeah.
You have money for me?
Yeah.
Give me some money.
I'm not having money. I'm not having money.
I can't be your friend.
Okay.
I can be your friend if you have money.
I'm not having money.
Yeah, okay, then.
We're here.
Yes, I'm there.
And that one. How we go in? Okay.
Safu. Ji, boleh jom sini deh. Ji,
Is that better? Is that better?
yes.
Saya ni
Nah kerja aku dah. Ya, is the corn. Si pun banyak.
Oh, this is the corn?
Yeah.
Ah. So this is the corn. A lot of corn. Wow. So all this is corn. Yeah, so this is all the corn.
telepon punya barang.
Ulang-ulang dengar tu. Hanya video lah.
Itu video.
Safiya. Bukan kau nak berumur nak kau. Kiri kau. Ada orang siapa?
Hai.
All this corn.
Dewi sekarang pagi dong bukan. Ya kena ya. Malu tu malu kan dong.
And then we have a nice bowl man. About how old is this tree? Yeah, that's not a number. Junkie.
I cannot tell.
Yeah, it's not a number. Yeah. How old is this tree?
This.
Uh-huh.
Isi bawah.
Nah, butum how many years?
Butum. I know butum.
I don't know.
Don't tell me hey.
I don't know.
I'm a butum. Okay. I would say 400 years. Yeah. The mango. Oh, these mango trees are tall. How do you get mango from these trees? How do you get mango from these mango trees? They're so tall. Look at this mango tree. Yeah.
A lot of people grow okra.
Where?
All the place go okra.
So where's the okra?
Let's go. Fala ulbe jebo.
Fumenja. Aja di bot fala.
Oh, where you go? No, where you go? Let's go.
Okay, we're going.
Why? Tapi na Sunday.
Oh, they did say they don't have sun.
No, they don't have.
You have to get light here.
Yeah. Let's go.
Okay. Thank you. Are you dancing with me? Walk on.
A video ya by force. Eh?
By force. Another bad one. Two houses? Hello.
Hi.
Video.
Movie star. Come do my hair now. Come do my hair. What? No?
Baby Sigala.
Come here, do my hair.
Sibigin.
Ende mang bakaw fu.
Really?
I can sleep here. It feels nice. Oh, watermelon is where?
Yeah. Let's go now.
No, that's
Yeah. Let's go. Kami video binda. Oh. Power. 23%.
so the next month I can come for work. Goat. Okay, you're a baby now. But don't worry, in a few months, Janky is gonna make. What are we gonna make with that goat? Janky, what are we gonna make with that goat? Huh? Oh, this is the road. Hey.
Yeah, it's our garden.
Oh, what's in that garden?
Nothing.
Nothing as yet.
Yeah.
Why not?
Garden spoiled. Everything spoiled.
Why? Why did it spoil?
I don't know nothing.
But you're Farmer Janky. Farmer Janky should know.
Yeah.
Huh?
This year we're supposed to start.
This is a lot of land. So all of this land is your family land?
Yes. Yeah.
From up there?
Yeah.
Ah. Wow. This is a lot of land. My gosh. Oh, the birds are nice. We're walking in the bush. We're walking in the bush. Hey ho, the Maria, we're walking in the bush.
Sometimes we used to plant your rice.
You plant your rice.
Yeah.
So why didn't you plant rice this year?
We don't have machine.
Oh, machine.
Yes.
To plow the rice, to plow the field. Ah. Oh, this is nice. Wow.
There's water.
Yes. As soon as you said there's water, I almost there's fell. So when the water come in, the water come into all here?
Yes.
Wow. This is wicked. I love.
Are you going in?
Yeah, shouldn't I go in? Is that bad?
No.
If I go in, you sure?
Yeah.
I will be all right?
Yes.
Janky, if I sink, you know, it's your fault. Janky, I'm one big fat person. Hey, are you telling me we can walk to the middle of the river Gambia? So you say at 4 o'clock the water comes all the way back in?
Yes.
And all of this is full by 4 o'clock?
Yes.
Nature is beautiful.
Yeah, don't go.
You say don't go? Well, I might sink. And then you can't pull me out. Yeah, she said don't go. But you know there's a 5-year-old inside of me that's telling me, although Janky said that, maybe I can go. But this is the River Gambia. The tide is low at the moment. So that way is heading towards Banjul. This way is heading towards Fototo, going towards Mali. So you go Mali from here, and you go Atlantic Ocean from here. And this is Domoto.
Dumbuto.
Dumbuto. Dumbuto. Yeah, that's easy to remember, Dumbuto. Yeah, so this is Dumbuto. I love it. So this land here where you plant the rice, that's your family land also?
Yeah.
How much land do your family have, Janky?
2. Yeah. Yeah, we used to plant rice and there.
Wow. You're rich then, Janky. If anybody doesn't know, the side of the land we just walk is about 2 hectares. Yeah. Yeah, give or take about 2 hectares. Wow. Hear that bird making noise there? Dumbuto. I love it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. This is nice, man. So who landed that over there?
Mangakunda.
Mangakunda. Yeah. This is awesome. Ooh.